Robotics and automation. Role and need of the robots for the immediate problems of the society, future of mankind, and automation. Need of robot in the field of security, defense, and surveillance. The job of a security, defense, and surveillance robot is normal. It surveys the desired area. It immediately notifies the owner if there is any type of disturbance occurred. This kind of robot is used in the military. This kind of robot can also be used in human daily life. For use in human daily life, this type of robot monitors home when people are away from their home. This robot helps people to monitor the skies, ground, and water from remote location. You can control this type of robot from another location to send it to your desired location to monitor the activities of that location. Thus, you can protect your home and properties from being harmed if you are not there to monitor them. This technology will change society in a very important way. It will allow law enforcement officials to act quickly whenever a suspicious behavior has been spotted. Automated transportation, that is self-driving robot. Self-driving robots are not the robots that can drive cars. Actually, this means that the cars are made like robots and artificial intelligence is introduced in that cars. In a modern world, like in many countries in Europe and America, the automated self-driving vehicle is available, like buses, trams, trains, and automated trains are automated. In the field of medicine, the impact of robotics is undeniable in the field of medicine. Recently, engineers have successfully discovered surgical robots. This success has attracted large financial investment on robots in medical science. In the recent past, robots were used only in a clinical system, just an assistance, but now they are introduced as part of the clinical system. Though it is not possible yet, it is not too far that robots will replace surgeons in a surgical operation. Robot system in established in clinics around the world. So engineers are working hard to successfully invent micro and nano robots because they are capable of doing things which need precise and accurate performance as human cannot do that kind of things. For example, drug delivery system, these robots can locally concentrate therapeutic payload around pathological sites so that they can reduce the dose of administrative drugs and side effects caused by them. In the field of education, many students suffer from various kinds of diseases every day, so they cannot physically attend the classes. For this reason, they miss lessons. Engineers have made that kind of robots which can help the students attend their classes from far away. The robot performs as a person in the classroom, which is controlled by the person himself. Its cameras are his eyes and body is for interacting with other students and teachers. So the person can see and do everything in the classroom that he wants to do from the hospital or in the house. Autistic students generally find it irritating and confusing when they communicate with other people. The humanoid robots looks like humans, so it is easy to interact with them as they look like human. These robots can help the artistic students by teaching social values, educational lessons. The success is quite good in this field. Now teachers can teach class even not at present in the class. In that case, a telepresence robot does the job. That robot acts like a human and is controlled by the person himself from the distance place. So students find it interesting and interactive to interact with the person through the robot. Home maintenance. Robots are now being made available for personal uses. You can have these robots to help you with the household works. Tough, though these robots are not invented fully like this yet, I believe that soon it will be made possible. Some examples of home maintenance robots. Home robots are used to look after pet animals even if you are not at home. Home robots monitor you every day. It knows when you take bath, meal and other things. It makes them ready for you before you need. If you are not in home, no tension. The robot is there for you to look after your home. It alerts you if there is any disturbance observed near your home. Robots can help with laundry, do preparatory work for cooking meals, cleaning kitchen and toilet. Many robots can pick up different things like toys, clothes, newspaper. It can help you by doing that. Some robots can assemble furniture and help you with moving heavy objects. These cloud connected robots are likely to evolve into more advanced version. We expect to see speech comprehension and increased interaction with the humans in the upcoming years. These developments may end up changing the entire look and feel of our homes. Now, many robots can answer your phone call and are capable of continuing formal conversation. In the field of dangerous jobs, some robots are relieving human by replacing them from dangerous jobs. There are many examples where robots are becoming essential. An important example is robotic welding. Manual welding is dangerous for human body. It produces a lot of noise and intense heat. Robots are doing a great job in this section. Oil companies inspect their pipelines by pipe inspecting robots. It is a dangerous task of human as the pipe may full of toxic gas which can cause death to human. Robots are being used to arm and disarm bombs, which were an extremely life-killing job for a human. In a nuclear plants, a lot of nuclear waste are being produced every day. These waste produce nuclear radiation, which is harmful to so now robots are being used as nuclear cleaner. Robots are now working as a firefighters. Waste from sewer is harmful to human body. So robots are being used sewer scraper. There are many dangerous jobs for human in which robots have replaced human. In the field of agriculture, the rise of automated farming is an attempt to solve some problems by robotics and advanced sensing. Nursery planting. Nurseries are where seeds are grown into young plants, which are later planted outside. Nursery plants are often sold direct to consumer and landscape gardens, but they are also start of food journey for some crops. Crop seeding. Many food plants begin life as seeds in the field. The traditional method for sieving seeds is to scatter them using broadcast spreader attached to a tractor. This throws many seeds around the field while the tractor drives at a steady pace. It is not very efficient method of planting as it can waste seeds. Autonomous precision seeding combines robotics with geomapping. The map is generated which shows the soil properties like quality and density at every point in the field. The tractor with robotic seeding attachment then places the seeds at precise location and depth so that each has the best chance of growing. Robotics as co-worker. Robotics will have profound effect on the workplace of the future. They will become capable of taking on multiple roles in an organization. So it's time for us to start thinking about the way we will interact with our new co-workers. The machines will likely evolve more in terms of voice recognition, so we will be communicating with them through voice commands. They create jobs. Robots create jobs too. Robots will take our jobs is perhaps the most common fear surrounding robotics development. Yes, technology is changing fast, and it does have economic ramifications. Driverless cars, for instance, are highly likely to replace cab drivers in the future. In the near future, however, artificial intelligence will most likely replace tasks, not jobs. The good news is that it will also create new markets for jobs. We might need additional education and retraining for those jobs, but the opportunities will be there. Robots will boost our standard of living. We have seen this throughout history. Automation and mechanization boost the overall standard of living. We have seen it with the industrial revolution, and it's going to happen again. According to estimates from the United Nations, poverty was reduced to a greater extent over the past 5 decades than in the previous 50. This because the global economy grew sevenfold and technology played a huge part in that progress.